Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the Philmac IPS OD 2-inch fitting with a PVC connection kit and then connect to PVC pipe. The first step is to take the Philmac PVC collet. Now you'll note it's got a stainless steel ring in the plastic collet. This provides the grip onto the hard PVC pipe. You'll need a wrench and a saw to cut the pipe. It's important that the cut of the pipe is reasonably square and that you remove any burrs. The first step is to change out the Philmac IPS OD fitting collet with the PVC collet. You remove the nut, then take the fitting apart. This is the standard collet, so I'll take that aside and replace it with the PVC collet and reassemble. I then bring it back to the body of the fitting and tighten. Once you've installed the PVC collet into the fitting, you can insert your pipe. The installation process is the same as it is for the 2-inch IPS PE pipe. You insert your pipe into the fitting until you fill that internal stop. Then tighten by hand until maybe 2 threads are showing. Then use the wrench to do the final tighten. It's important that you continue to tighten until all the threads are covered and the nut is very close to the flange of the body. The connection to PVC pipe using the Philmac 2-inch IPS fitting is now complete.